Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games not launching properly on your Windows computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. And if you see any programs running in background named as Epic Game Launcher, you just want to right click it and select End Task guys in background processes. You just want to find it and end task it, and if apps you just running it, you just want to end task it as well. Close out of here after doing it, and you just need to right click on the Epic Games Launcher and go to Properties, go to Compatibility tab, and you just want to check mark the run this program as an administrator. You just want to check mark it and select apply and OK. After doing it, go to search menu and type percentage app data percentage app data percentage. You just need to select type here and open it. Opens up app data. Go to apps data, back to app data, and double click on the local and search for Epic Games Launcher. Double click on it, double click on the saved, and in here you just need to delete the web cache folder guys. You just need to delete it. I'm not getting it guys. I'm not played any games in Epic Game Launcher, that's why I'm not getting it. You're definitely getting it guys. You just want to delete it, web cache. Just want to right click it and select delete it guys. After deleting it, close out of here and attempt to open up the Epic Game Launcher. Hopefully your problem has been resolved at this point. If not, you just want to try to delete, uninstall and reinstall it guys. There is no other way to resolve it. Just want to uninstall it by going to uninstall a program, add or remove programs, open it. You just want to search Epic Game Launcher. Select the three dot icon, select uninstall. After uninstalling it, go ahead, open up any browser and install it again. Hopefully your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.